In the mood for a sweet treat? Today I'm making some peanut butter cup protein bombs. These little balls of delicious goodness. I got inspired from Earthy Andy, her Cinnabomb recipe, the little balls. Awesome. I had a few tweaks that I wanted to make. I do love them. If you're not using a protein powder, you need a little more almond flour. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and make these because peanut butter cup, oh yum, plus healthy food, yeah, score, let's do this. This is a simple protein powder I like, the Orgain. It literally says simple because I have some food allergies and intolerances. Wheat's actually not one of them. That was surprising to find out. Corn is one of them. And I really like the ingredients in this. It's just very pure, and this is not a paid endorsement. This is just something I personally like because I'm picky about my protein powders, especially if they taste too much like stevia or monk fruit. This one has, oh, neither of those. So hooray for that. Yeah, it just has coconut sugar. Yeah, I don't know. Are you guys like that too? Like, let me know. Do you not like monk fruit or stevia? I'm having a hard time on that health kick to get used to those, or those new keto flavors and sugars, and it's all just weird. So anyway, here we go with a nice natural recipe. Here is how you make the peanut butter cup protein balls. We have a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, a tablespoon of pure maple syrup, the stuff from the tree, not the corn syrup, a tablespoon of melted coconut oil with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract right there. 1 scoop of protein powder needs to go in there. And that's the chocolate peanut butter cup. Protein powder by Orgain, simple. Then I have a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of almond flour, an 1/8 cup crushed nuts. I chose pecans. And then we can do just a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavor. It's time to mix it all up. Take it and roll it into balls. You can even grab a 1/2 tablespoon or a tablespoon measuring spoon and roll it in 1/2 teaspoon, sorry, I should just say a 1/2 teaspoon of cacao powder and any type of like coconut sugar or natural sugar that you want to use. And there we go. Those little beauties are all rolled. Got 12 of them. Now to put them in the fridge to set. Look at these finished beauties.